Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make banana bread with no butter. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and lightly grease a 9x5-inch loaf pan. In a large bowl, mash 3 very ripe bananas until they are mostly smooth. Then, whisk in 1/2 cup of a neutral oil, 2 large eggs, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Finally, stir in 1/2 cup of brown sugar and 1/4 cup of granulated sugar until well combined. Next, in a separate medium bowl, combine your dry ingredients. Whisk together 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Gradually add the dry ingredient mixture to your wet banana mixture, stirring gently until just combined. Be careful not to overmix, as this can lead to a tough banana bread. A few lumps are perfectly fine. Now, pour your delicious banana bread batter into the prepared 9x5-inch loaf pan. Place it in your preheated oven and bake for 50 to 60 minutes. You'll know it's ready when a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Once baked, let the loaf cool in the pan for about 10 minutes before carefully transferring it to a wire rack to cool completely. This helps prevent it from becoming soggy. Once your banana bread has cooled, it's ready to slice and enjoy. This easy, no-butter recipe yields a wonderfully moist and flavorful loaf that's perfect for breakfast, a snack, or dessert. Store any leftovers in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days, or freeze slices for longer enjoyment. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Happy baking!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.